Okay, well, let's go on to the movers and levels.
Okay, well, our first pre-market mover is Walt Disney. They announced figures after the close last night. That's ticker DIS in the US, $113.80, down almost 6.5%. Revenues missed, earnings beat, but the market was concerned about slowing growth in both the media and theme parks. What's interesting is that the market doesn't appear to be placing any premium on the release of the Star Wars film in October, and it seems to sort of set that to one side, and it wants to see the rest of the business perform rather than anticipate good earnings there. So as I say, down 6.5% and could well trend lower. And then the other one that caught my eye, First Solar, that's ticker FSLR in the US, $48.77, up 9.6%. Just when you thought that the solar sector was dead and buried, First Solar come along and post numbers that beat analyst estimates, and they offered strong guidance for Q3. There's some controversy around this company in the way that they book their income. It's one of these companies where they tend to book it before it's actually been so we say collected.
Well, they obviously like to look on the bright side.
They do. Well, very good, sir. But nonetheless, the market likes what it hears, and they're up 9.6%. And in terms of levels to watch today, not much movement in the FTSE. 66.85 plays 67.20, a relatively narrow range there. But the DAX has moved on again. It moved better yesterday. It's better again this morning. So 11,500 now plays 11,605. In terms of the US, obviously we heard from a Fed governor last night suggesting that rates could move as early as September, which caused equities to say sell off, but to drift lower, let's say. So for the S&P now, we're looking at 2087 plays 2105 to the upside, and for the Dow 17,495 plays 17,599. The move pretty much with the moves in the US markets yesterday were within the bounds of our numbers yesterday. And then what has moved on the back of that Fed governor comment is euro dollar. So now 108.50 to the downside, plays 108.75 on the upside. Quite a narrow range there for a change in euro dollar. And in terms of Aussie dollar, US dollar, a bit more of a bounce here. 73.20 on the downside now, plays 73.85 to the upside. Dollar yen back above 124, so 124.12 now our downside level, plays 124.56 to the upside. And in cable, 155.34 plays 156.06 to the upside. As I say, we may see some more action in that tomorrow with their own interest rate decision.
So the calm before the storm.
Potentially, yes, and obviously the big number on Friday, which could be the deciding factor, I suppose, on US rates in the non-farm payrolls.